A very good morning, everyone. My name is Bhavin Kumar. I am from BSc-IT third year, and I am here to present a website that I have made. Um, I am using the platform Web Studio. First, you will have to log in with your credentials by giving your email ID and password, creating a password. Then user ID will be made, and you will be thrown here this page. Here you can see video tutorials for your starting or beginning. This is the site that I have made. There is two sites. I am going to present this also. Let me open it. So the home page of this Volaso is this. So this is basically a technology which is going to be used in futuristic. I have added some hypothetical features which may be able we see in future. So if we see how I made this, I have added many layers. This is the edit section of this web page. I have added some layers to make this website. There is a home page, a header file from here, and last is the footer file. And between them, there is a lot of sections, and there is a lot of things that I have added. And after adding them, there are basically 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages I have made. Technology about section, contacts, terms and conditions, and for privacy policies. Let me jump on it. This is the technology section. Yes, that's it. This is the about section. And there is the contact section in which a user can give their names, email address, organization message, and send messages. I have also added my social accounts links and my contacts. Thank you.